How to download Roblox Delta Executor. So here I've just opened up Google and we want to search for Roblox Delta Executor and then just click on Google search. Here you will see some different websites, but I suggest using the first one here, so delta-executor.com. Basically all you need to do is click on this first website. It's going to show up like this, and it's going to show us Delta Executor for Android, Windows, and Delta Key. Depending on which platform you're using, you will click on it. For me, it's going to be Windows. So just click on Windows here. And then if we scroll down here, you will see a download button. Again, like I said, if you're using Android, you will get it on Android. But here, just click on download and it's going to show us this website. So download Delta for free, best Roblox Executor. So here, if you click on download now, this will begin downloading your file, and you can just double click on it later to install it. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.